In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord not opening up on startup. So what you want to do is go onto your desktop and then down here to the taskbar where you have to right click and click on Task Manager. And now once this opens up, you have to press on these three lines over here, open navigation, so you can see all the names of different tabs over here. And what you want to do is go under the startup apps. And then under the startup apps, you can see the different apps that get opened or not once your computer boots up. Now, when you scroll down, you're gonna see the Discord logo somewhere in between. And now it's not gonna say Discord. Now Discord does this thing where it doesn't usually say Discord. It says either update, program, or perhaps something else. But once you press this arrow right here, you can see that this actually is Discord. Now, how to enable it? You simply click on it, and in case it says disabled under status over here, you just simply have to click on enable up here on the top right. So let's say it's disabled in your case, you simply click on it, press on enable, and Discord is going to start opening once you're booting up your computer.